People ask me all the time, hey Desmond, how do you know exactly how to price your contracts when bidding these government contracts? It's very simple. I price to win. There's 3 ways to price a contract, right? First, you can price to win. 2, price to compete. 3, price to make a big profit, right? Yes, the government is the biggest spender in the world and they have all this money, but a lot of you guys get too greedy and price yourself out. Like, let's say you want to price to make a big profit, right? You add up all your costs of $100,000 and you throw $85,000 on top and submit your bid for $185,000. If you win that contract, you're gonna make a big profit, right? Because you're pricing for a big profit. But more than likely, you're gonna lose. You can get lucky and win if nobody submits the bid. Even then, the government might say, hey, listen, buddy, you're a little too high there, okay? Let's negotiate and bring this cost down a little bit. You see what I'm saying? So first option is pricing to make a big profit. Let's say markup, let's say 35% or more, right? That's pricing to make a big profit. Second option is pricing to compete, okay? Costs $100,000, you submit your bid for $130,000, right? $120,000. That's competitive. You're competitive with the marketplace, right? You might win, you might lose. It's a 50-50 chance, okay? Then the third way is to price to win, okay? So it costs $100,000. You say, you know what? I'm going to mark it up 10 to 13%, right? Now you submit your bid for $110,000. You win the contract, do the project for $100,000, you take home $10,000. Yes, you took home less money, but let's say do that for the next 50 contracts, right? Well, you're going to make money long term because you're going to keep stacking those wins, right?